All right, let's look at our problem a little bit more closely now. I propose ultimately to add up all the little bits of force that happen to the victim dq. We can see that the force vector is broken into a dfx and a dfy, and I've shown you how I could describe dfx as df cos alpha. df can be written in terms of r, and I have a description of r. Cosine alpha can be written in terms of r and x, and so I have descriptions for all of these things. We're going to bring all of that together. The only thing that remains is the dq, and I want to talk to you about that. So the variable that's adjustable here is y, and I have now r is written in terms of x and y, and cosine alpha are written in terms of x and y. So actually both of these variables can be put in terms of y. But in order to get a common variable for integration, I would need to also change q into a variable expressed in terms of y. And so for that topic, I want to talk to you about linear charge density. This is going to be a subject that you will see in this and many other problems. So I'll take a few minutes to talk about the general idea. Suppose I have a bunch of charge distributed along a stick, like in this case the meter stick. This is a little bit longer than our example. And I put a bunch of charge on here so that if you look at 1 centimeter of the meter stick, we would find 0.9 coulombs of charge. So I have a picture of that. And in my picture, I have the meter stick, and I have, on 1 centimeter, I have 0.9 coulombs of charge. So, and in another part of the meter stick, because the charge is distributed uniformly, I have 0.9 coulombs of charge right there. And I don't know whether you can see it very well, but here I have 6 centimeters of the meter stick delineated. So supposing there are 0.9 coulombs of charge in 1 centimeter, after I charged this thing up, that just turned out to be the way that it came out, 0.9 coulombs of charge on that centimeter, 0.9 coulombs of charge on this centimeter, and on every other centimeter. So what then would be the charge on 6 centimeters of stick? So you should answer that question for your instructor